Hello! So today it is day 2 of the 15-day challenge, and our topic that I have been covering across the day is on habit stacking. Again, this is another handy tip that I learned from James Clear's book Atomic Habits. And basically, habit stacking is a technique for building new habits by attaching them to existing habits. So the idea is that you choose a habit that you do routinely every single day, like putting on your socks or brushing your teeth, making a cup of tea in the morning, anything at all that you do throughout the day that is a habit for you. And then what you do is you add your habit that you want to start doing to the habit that you are already doing. So if you want to exercise more, for example, you could say that you will do 10 push-ups every single time you go through a door. Or if you want to do a morning meditation, say, you could link that to brushing your teeth in the morning. So you could use habit stacking to set up your meditation by saying that after I brush my teeth in the morning, I will do a 5-minute meditation. And then you build it up. So on the first day, you'd only do a couple of minutes meditation. So you'd brush your teeth, and then you'd do a couple of minutes meditation. On the next day, you might do 2.5 minutes. On the next day, you might do 3. And then you build it up until you're doing your new habit for the amount of time that you want to do. It could be that you want to start running every single day. So I know when I was training when I was in the TA, the Army Reserve, I would go running after work. So I set the habit that after I finish work, I will go for a run. And for the first few days, it could be that you only do 5 minutes. So you get everything ready and you go out and you do a 5-minute run. The next day, you do a 10-minute run. Or you could do a 15-minute day run on day 3 and then a half-an-hour walk on day 4 to help ease up those aching joints if you've never run. Okay? Or you follow a fitness planner, which if you are following one, then you do that each day instead. So the formula for habit stacking, as set out in James Clear's book, is after or before a current habit, I will do my new habit. And then you build up the amount of time each day until you reach the amount of time that you want to do, and that you're doing that new habit automatically. So one thing to help make your habit stacking habit even more efficient is to make it as easy and as convenient to do your new habit as possible. So for me at the moment, as I mentioned yesterday, my new habit is doing yoga every single morning. And to do that, I am making it as easy for myself as possible by laying out my yoga mat before I go to bed. So in the morning, all I have to do is get out of bed and get on the mat. I also have the yoga videos that I'm going to do set up on my phone. So I literally roll out of bed, straight on the mat, press play on YouTube. Done. I don't even have to think about it. It's there, it's ready to go. I'm usually also wearing clothes that are decent to do yoga in to go to bed. Pyjamas are the most comfortable thing in the world, full stop. And it's home yoga, so you don't even have to think about it because no one can see you. The same can be for if you want to go running after work. You could put into your morning routine a time when you lay out your running equipment. So instead of getting home from work and going, I'm going to go for a run now, where's my left shoe? It then causes procrastination. And then it puts you off actually doing the habit in the first place because you're like, oh, well, I can't find my shoe, or, oh, look, it's raining, or whatever. So if your morning routine looks like wake up, make your bed, take a shower, you could wake up, make your bed, get your running stuff out and lay it out ready, then have a shower. Then when you get home from work, all you've got to do is get in the door, sort a drink out if you have a drink before you go for a run, and then get your running stuff on and get out the door. As easy and as convenient as you can do it. Okay? So Why is habit stacking so effective? It's effective because it's hacking into the things that you already do already. So the things that you do every single day automatically are brilliant little triggers and cues to add in a new habit too. So you brush your teeth every day, or most of us do. No judgment if you don't. No judgment here at all. But it's something that you do every single day by automatic. By automatic? You do it every day automatically. It's been a long day. I've had a good day. So you add on something else to it. So like I said, brushing your teeth in the morning or brushing your teeth at night could be the trigger for then getting into bed and reading a book. And you help yourself to set that habit of reading that book when you go to bed at night by getting up in the morning, making your bed, putting your book on your pillow, lying out your running stuff if you're doing the running habit, and then going and having your shower and getting on with your day. Then when you go to get into bed at night, it's already on your pillow. You don't have to find it. You just get on. Okay? So, as I said, you build it up a little bit each day. Don't decide I'm going to do an hour run every single day on day one. It's not going to work, especially not if you've not run for a while. An hour is a long time. Meditation. The first time you do meditation, 2 minutes can feel like a lifetime. For some of us, it did for me. Other people would find it really, really quick to get involved really, really quickly. And half an hour could fly by. But build it up slowly. Give yourself the best chance of success. Okay? But, slight word of warning, habit stacking works and is the most effective when the trigger for the new habit is specific and immediately actionable. So this means that you need to make your habit stack really specific. So if you want to start the habit of reading during your lunch break, you need to make sure that you say specifically when you're going to read. So instead of saying during my lunch break, I will read a book, because that's not very specific. Am I going to do that before I eat? After I eat? Am I going to sit at my desk? How long's my lunch break going to be? Am I going to make a coffee first or a tea if you drink it? No. You need to make it specific. After I eat my lunch, I will read a book for 5 minutes. You also need to get the time limit in there as well. Okay? Make it specific and make it completely unambiguous. No questions. Because as soon as you've got a question of, am I going to read before or after? That's when you're going to get hijacked by your paradigm and your habit is just going to go bye-bye. Okay? You need to be specific and you need to be consistent. So it has to be something that you do every single day, like brushing your teeth or eating your lunch. Okay? So this is day 2 of my 15-day challenge. The original video, the workshop, is available on my YouTube and on my Facebook accounts. It's also available on my Instagram link in bio. So if you click the link in my bio, it will take you straight to the link where you can see the workshop. There's another 13 days yet, and every single day I am going to give out hints and tips to help you to stick to the habits that you are setting in order to reach your goals. As part of this, and as I explained yesterday, the best way that you can do this and to be really, really on it and really motivated is by having your Get Done list. And again, I will post the Get Done list video link in the description here, but I would also love to see what your Get Done list looks like for tomorrow. So for me, my Get Dones tomorrow are get my small child to school. That is my priority in the morning because it's first day back after Christmas holidays and I don't think she's going to be very happy about it. But we're going to get her to school. Then I am going to come home and I'm going to write a blog post to go live on my website tomorrow. Then I'm going to make some phone calls to some people that I spoke to before Christmas to see how they're getting on and following up. Then I will probably have some lunch, read a book. And I also missed out the most important thing that I'm actually doing at the moment, which is first thing in the morning, do my yoga. So number 1, do yoga. Number 2, do my study that I do in the morning normally. Number 3, small child to school. Wish me luck. She'll be fine. Number 4, blog post. Number 5, contacting people that I spoke to before Christmas, following up with people. Number 6, having my lunch. And then we'll go into the afternoon. And I'm going to focus on each one of those at a time. They're all written down, and I'm going to put them in the chat as well, in the description. So if you are following along with the 15-day challenge, make sure you write your get done in the comments below. I'd love to help you. If you are stuck with what you need to get done tomorrow, reach out. If you do want any more information at all, contact me on any of my social media platforms, on my website, on my email, anything like that. All my contact details are readily available across everything. I'm more than happy to help. And if that's it for today, I hope to see you on the call tomorrow. Have a lovely rest of your day, and thanks for joining me. See you later.